Hi guys! Hi Fambam!
Hi guys!
Welcome sa AirAsia! Welcome to Cebu!
Hi guys!
So, nandito kami na yun sa boarding gate ng AirAsia. At delayed ang flight.
This is a high place. Like,
Hi!
6,000.
Salam! Si Linda, si Kevin, and si found friends.
Yeah.
We just had our
I did
breakfast.
from middle.
Ano ka natin love?
Kumain sila ng cup noodles.
Cup noodles and sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
And
Para sa aming pangunahing pagkain. Oh, we made it here.
Hi guys!
Yay! Cebu in an hour and a half. Safe flight, guys.
Eat! Hi guys! Welcome to Cebu!
So yun guys, dito kami Cebu. Pero may Tape Laguna. O syempre, ito yung inaabangan nating lahat, di ba? Cebu Airs Lechon.
Yeah, tatry natin yan guys. Cebu! Si Cebu! Maliit lang.
Mohyong. Hi, we just booked our Grab. We'll be coming from, galing kami dito sa Mactan, Cebu. Papunta kami sa San Remo Oasis. Malapit sa SMC sa...
Yan dyan, say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
Hi po! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Okay, dito kami sa Grab. Pupunta kami sa San Remo Oasis. At we were welcome with the fine weather here in Cebu. At ito si Sir, ang aming piloto. All from airport going to our B&B area. So far, so good. Ang ganda ng panahon. Hindi lang natin alam kung yung panahon will be the same in the coming days. Aming dinadaanan.
Hi guys! Good morning!
Dadaanan everyday. So it's our second day in Cebu. Fine weather. The property by San Remo. San Remo Holy Oasis. Have a good house.
See you. Lunch na tayo, guys. Sana yung magka-lunch.
Magsutokil tayo guys ngayon. Ayan si Sir. Hi Sir, good morning. Good afternoon today. Good afternoon. Our Grab driver is here. Yan yung Grab driver. Hi Grab. Yes sir. Hi guys, we're now here at Park Ebel, Tinola in Mabolo branch, and we're about to have our lunch. Sobrang inaabangan namin ito. Nasa Manila pa lang kami. Nilook forward na namin itong Park Ebel Tinola, and katabi lang niya actually yung SM Cebu. Pagpasok niyo dito sa Park Ebel Tinola, ang una niyo makikita yung tinatawag na Sugba Station. At dito makikita natin yung mga pork at meron tayong makikita mga isda na sobrang daming mga varieties of fishes. But ang available ngayon is the Blue Marlin at yung tinatawag nilang tasik. At sobrang sarap nito at binigyan kami ng option. So dalawang in-order natin. Ang isang isda would cost around 340 pesos. Pero subukan natin itong dalawa. Blue Marlin at yung pinagmamalaki nilang tasik. Right now, dito tayo Tinola Station. Dito yung sinabawang isda. At sila ay nagluluto ng iba't ibang klase ng isda dito. In order at susunod sa atin is what they call the mangsa or the talakito in Luzon. At dito sinusunod yung at makikita niyo yung iba't ibang klase ng mga condiments dito. Sobrang sarap at they will serve the soup hot on your table.
Park Ebel Tinola. So we have Blue Marlin.
Tasik.
Lasing.
Tasik. Tasik. Tasik.
Tasik. Lato and
Mangsa. Mangsa. Kalakitok yan sa Tagalog.
Gona. Kilaw.
Uda na kilaw. Pwede. Hey guys. Kaunta guys.
Kaunta.
Oh, kaunta.
Kaunta.
Ito na guys, yung mga nangyari. Wala nang natira guys.
Guys, tingnan yung nangyari guys. Lamig. Lamig kaayo. You should try here.
Kalisod. Unsa man ni? Unsa man na?
So far. Yeah po.
Natatakan ako ni Ma. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we're now here inside the Sirao Garden Park.
Hey guys! We're here in Sirao Garden.
Sirao Garden. Made it. Hello, JM.
So beautiful, right? Time is 6 p.m.
Hi. Kendra, hi. Kev.
Iwanan nyo na ako.
Hi, Kaunta.
Honey.
Manganta.
Kendra's eating. Yes, hi. Kubu.
Hi guys, enjoy.
Sasabu.
Talaga?
Iwan nyo na lang. Sarap.
Sarap.